Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the fish with a 24 block Rubik's Twist. So let's get started. So count 2 blocks and then turn it. It doesn't matter any position because you'll position it later. And then count 1 block and then turn it 2 times. Count 2 blocks and turn it 2 times, and then now hold it like that. Okay? And then count 2 blocks and then turn it 2 times. Count 1 block and then turn it 2 times. And then count 2 blocks and then turn it again 2 times. Okay, and then now you're going to count 2 blocks and then turn it 2 times. And then count 1 block and turn it 2 times. Then count 2 blocks and turn it 2 times, and now that should fit in there. Count 1 block and turn it 2 times, and then 2 blocks, turn it 2 times, 1 block, turn it 2 times, and then get these last 2 blocks and turn it 2 times. And there you go, there is the fish. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.